What's up guys? In today's video I'm going to teach you and I'm going to show you how to create a virtual environment for Python in Ubuntu. If you remember, you can also use this Ubuntu terminal in Windows by the Windows subsystem, and I think that I teach that in the first video of C. I will leave that somewhere there. So, how do we create a virtual environment for Python, and what is a virtual environment for Python? Basically, instead of just think of this in this way. Instead of having everything in one big box, you can make a small box in order to use only the packages that you want. So let's get started. How do we create a virtual environment? First of all, we need to install the tool called virtualenv. So if you put here sudo apt-get install virtualenv, you will download the tool for putting virtual environments. Since I already have this installed, this is saying this, but yeah, if you don't have installed this, you will have a message. So now, how do we create a virtual environment? It is as simple as using this virtualenv, and now you have to give it a name. So for example, you can say tutorialenv, and now you have created the tutorialenv. So if we do ls, you can see here that we have this tutorialenv created. But the thing is that now here we don't have anything installed. So if you want to install things, what you have to do is to activate the environment. Let me deactivate the one that I already have activated. So conda deactivate. So okay, now is everything okay. And now what we have to do is to activate the environment. So you just need to do source. Then I recommend you doing this. With this, what you are doing is that you are coming to the base folder. So you are coming here, and now you just put tutorialenv bin activate. So remember this, you need to put the name of the environment, then bin, and then activate. And that's it. Now you have this created. But here you can install a lot of things. But let's say that you also want to save things from another environment. So how do you do this? For example, here I have this other environment, which is the Anaconda environment. And the thing that you can do is to, in order to save all the things that you have installed in an environment, you can do pip freeze. And well, if you do this, it will be shown all the things that you have installed. But if you want this to be stored in a file, what you can do is pip freeze and then packages.txt. So now, if we do cat packages.txt, you can see that here we have all the packages that I have downloaded in the Anaconda environment. Now the good thing is that you can come to this other environment, and since we have that package file, which is packages.txt, what you can also do is pip3 install -r, telling that, hey, we are going to take it from a file packages. And now what this is going to do is that is going to install all the packages, but I don't know why it is not installing all the packages. I guess it is because I have too many things. But for example, I have another file like this prepared in which we have less things. And again, if you want to install that, you just have to do, wow, this was wrong. You just have to do this, and this one is working, but everything is already installed, so it's giving me this. But yeah, you just have to do this, and that's it. That's how you install a virtual environment, and that's how you install things, store things, etc. So if you like the video, give it a like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next one.